What's going on, folks? So I'm working in the shop again, working on the FL350, getting it ready for the Pismo trip that's coming up this weekend. And one of the issues that I've had with my FL350 is that I have a rim that's been bent. So let me show you that real quick. So if you look at this rim here, maybe a little bit hard to see, but up here is, this is all tweaked and bent up here. So the tire would hold air for the most part, at least for about a half a day, and then I have to air it up. And that just got to be kind of a pain to deal with. So I ended up going and buying some tubes and putting it in, thinking that would be a good solution. However, one of the issues that I encountered is that on these particular wheels, the valve stem here is not actually centered in the wheel, and the tube, the valve stem on the tube has to be centered. So what happens is the valve stem on the tube is tweaked over to the side to go through the hole. And what I'm worried about is that over time that it's just going to develop a tear there, and then I'm not going to be able to hold any air at all. And so with that, I decided, okay, it's time to solve this problem. Let's just get some new rims. So with that, I got a box here. We're going to open this up and see what we got inside, and hopefully this will be the solution to all the problems with the tubes. All right, so let's just get into this. All right, so we got some DWT wheels here. Now, Oddball is a dealer for DWT wheels. We do try to keep these in stock. We have wheels available for the FL350 and the FL400 in stock, and we can also get the FL250 wheels. At some point, we'll have those in stock in the future. So these sizes here, these are for the FL350 and the Pilot if you want. These are a 10x5. With a 3+2 offset. So this is, I believe this is about as stock as you can get compared to the original wheel. So let's go ahead and get this thing opened up and see what it looks like. All right, look at that. That is shiny. Whew. Nice looking. So these are a one-piece wheel. You can see that they're fully welded in the center. And of course they have the valve stem here already set up. And this is the bolt pattern for the FL350 and I'm pretty sure the Pilot too. These are aluminum wheels. They're fairly lightweight. These are the red wheels, so they're a little bit stronger. I believe the blue wheels are a little lighter weight, but we run the reds just because the Odysseys are heavy machines and stuff. So it looks great. I'm excited to get this thing onto my machine. Now I'm going to take my current tires and wheels over to a tire shop and have them mount it. I don't have the tools to do it here, so it's just easier to have someone else do that. So we're going to catch that in the next clip, but just wanted you guys to be able to take a look and see what it'll look like, and look forward to getting this thing on the machine and running, and hopefully, well, not hopefully, but not losing any more air throughout the day. That's going to be a fantastic upgrade for me. All right, well, there you got it, folks. Saw the video of them mounting the tires and everything. There was a little bit of confusion. I'm not entirely sure what the problem was. I don't speak Spanish or enough Spanish to understand, but there was some concern about inside, outside, or whatever. But anyways, we finally got them mounted, and here's what the tires look like on the wheels. Everything looks nice and shiny. Now, I'm gonna go ahead and get these mounted. Probably not going to show that process because it's too simple, and I actually got to drill out the holes just slightly because the way my bolts are on my disc brakes, like that, they're just a little bit tight. So I don't want to show any of that stuff. It's kind of boring and everything, but I'll show you guys the end result once everything's on there, and then we'll do the outro. So with that, we'll get on it. All right, so something I'm going to show real quick is on these DWT wheels, if you buy them, you have to make sure that you use the right lug nut. So if you look at this lug nut here, it's flat. Okay, this is the right lug nut. If you happen to use like the stock lug nuts or the rounded ones, they're kind of like self-centering and everything on aluminum rim, you're going to end up opening up your holes on the rim, and that's not what you want to do. Steel rim, that's okay. It's a lot harder, not gonna be a problem, but for these aluminum rims, you need to get the lug nuts that are proper. We should have these on the website. If you're ordering the rims, you can get the lug nuts as well. So anyways, real simple. Just put it on there, thread it on, and everything is nice and flat. That's all it is, and then torque it down. So thought you guys should know that just in case you're buying, so that you didn't end up rounding those holes out by accident. All right, well, finally got the wheels back on and everything. A little bit of a hassle because of the one wheel stud that's just kind of off, but that's what she looks like. Real nice and shiny, looking good, and most importantly, it's going to hold some air. So pretty excited about that. Now it's finally time to get things packed up for Pismo. This is the last project. Actually, I got one more project to do, but I'm not going to film that one. But anyways, looking forward to getting all this stuff loaded and heading down to Pismo and having a good time. So we'll catch you guys in the next clip. And until then, take care and be safe. Have fun.